EA Sports FC Mobile 26, launched in September 2025, has encountered several technical challenges, including login failures, difficulties with updates, and black screen loading issues. These problems typically arise from server overloads due to high player traffic, inherent application bugs, device incompatibilities, and unstable network connections. Login errors occur when the game cannot authenticate user credentials because of server overload, weak network connections, account-specific problems, or corrupt app data. Update problems often result from insufficient device storage, app store glitches, or regional rollout delays of updates. Black screen loading, characterized by the game hanging during launch, is usually caused by GPU or rendering issues, corrupted game files, or incompatible modifications to the game. To resolve login errors in FC Mobile 26, begin by logging out and back into the game or restarting your device. Ensure a stable 4G or 5G network connection, or consider using a VPN to bypass regional restrictions. For update problems, verify that your device meets the minimum requirements, such as Android 8 Plus or iOS 14 Plus. Clear the app cache and ensure sufficient free storage of 2 to 3 gigabytes. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the game from official app stores to avoid malware. For black screen loading, force close the application, update graphics drivers if on Android, or enable low power mode. If these steps fail, a factory reset of the device or contacting EA support may be necessary. Remember to apply updates regularly and avoid third-party app downloads to prevent future issues. Start with simple fixes and then move to more advanced solutions.